Hey, how are you? What would it be like to have step-by-step help in starting your virtual assistant's business? Yes, that's what this challenge is about. You getting full-on support with starting your virtual assistant business and generating some revenue. It's a difference. Hey, for those that don't know me, I'm Torie Dunn. I am a certified VA coach, podcast host, and business strategist. And let me tell you, before I became a VA coach, I was a virtual assistant. I served as a virtual assistant for many years, even longer before I decided to launch my business, because I didn't even know what I was already doing as a side hustle had a name. So I launched my virtual assistance business and have been growing since. Listen, I know you can have some of those conflicting feelings. You can be a little concerned, a little scared because you don't know how to price your services, where to look for clients, how to approach clients. And the biggest question, how to get a client to work with me. That's what this challenge is about. So click the button. Join us in the Fast Track to Landing Clients Challenge so that you can not only start your virtual assistance business by the end of the 5 days, but also have the ability and the strategies to outreach clients and land your first client. That's what it's about. So join us. We would love to have you. See you in the challenge.